I generally thought I ordered a razor and got AirPods by mistake. It's giving Apple, it's giving luxury. You know that suction feeling when you try to open an iPhone box? This thing has that. Thought I was unboxing AirPods, so obviously I had to test it. The aesthetic, CNC stainless steel. It's cold, heavy, and feels expensive. The grip, it's slippery. This thing feels like a wet bar of soap. One wrong move in the shower and this thing launches itself directly onto your big toe. The gimmick, a glass window showing copper wiring inside. Because apparently we need transparency mode on bathroom appliances now. Does it work? Absolutely. 12,000 CPM. Jerry Rig Everything did a full motor teardown. Go watch that if you're a nerd. Real talk, guys. It's a razor doing a razor thing. Nothing groundbreaking here. I sped this clip up to 150% so we aren't here all day. It's not gonna be as surgical as that hand blade you're used to, but it gets the job done. Look at the grip though. It's pretty mid. I'm basically forced to 3-finger paint this thing, which feels sketchy as hell. Definitely not the most natural way to shave. And this is before, this is after. It definitely does the job. Holding this feels really weird. It's too much like an Apple product. So I asked the AI a dumb question. Well, that does not look Apple at all. Something is wrong here. Let's try it a different way. Then I fed AI a picture of this product and said, make it look more like Apple. It pretty much didn't change a pixel other than the transparent glass I mentioned earlier. However, they also copied the worst habit of Apple. You pay the premium price and open the beautiful box. But guess what's missing? A travel case. That is peak Apple behavior. Protection sold separately. This is a travel razor. Am I supposed to throw this raw metal brick into my toiletry bag with zero protection? Just let it raw dog my toothbrush?
Buy me a drink first.
My real issue isn't that this looks too much like an Apple product. It's that it might age like one. We used to build tools to last. I've had a razor for almost 10 years, and it still works. The blade's a bit dull, but the battery is still out here putting in work. I wonder if the battery will be cooked in 2 years. Is it going to be a beautiful e-waste? If not, Laifen is a genius. If it does, then they didn't just copy the design. It's the whole obsolescence. Anyway, my name is Ren. Please follow me. I will keep using it and give you an update soon.